जमीन नहीं है, आपका पाँव का नीचे बिल्कुल ही जमीन नहीं है। फिर भी अफसोस की बात है कि ये आपको ये यकीन नहीं है। इन बेपनाह अंधेरा को मैं सुबह कैसे कहूँ, इन नजरों का मैं अंधा तमाशबीन नहीं। Friends, we have to look forward, come out from the comfort zone. The situation is not at all very congenial for all of us. The IBA chairman, he has reminded us what are the future threats on us, rather to say. Definitely, we should come out from the imaginary stage. ये वास्तव स्थिति से हमको परिचय कराना पड़ेगा, उपन्यास से नहीं, कहानी से नहीं, लेकिन हकीकत से हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा। Young generation, you have to come forward. You have to ponder on this matter. You are seeing here during this COVID period, when the entire country came to a halt, when the entire country, there was no movement. People were very much scared in their room, in their houses. That time, the bankers, they were on the road. These heroes, the financial heroes, the financial armies, the frontline warriors, they swung the country and they took the wheel of the economy rolling, and they have shown that they can make it and they can break it. Friends, after this COVID period, I think this is for the first time, it is a big gathering. Therefore, we should express our kudos to all the bankers. We should have a pat on our back that I feel that I am a banker and I have contributed to the national economy. When the country India, every day 40,000 crores, there was a loss to the country. That time also, these bankers, they financed 5.66 lakhs crores of rupees. That too, not to in 50 or 100 customers. 41.81 lakhs of customers. All the government-sponsored schemes, it was made fruitful through the bankers. During this period, the country became the Bank Nirbhar Bharat. We should feel that, yes, India is the Bank Nirbhar Bharat. And this bank nationalization, it was not all on a sudden or arbitrary decision of the government. It was the culmination of long-pending desire emanating from the bankers, the stakeholders, the countrymen. It was a judicious decision taken by the government of India at that time. Friends, I can remember just, it is coming to my mind that we can refer the famous deliberation of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on the midnight of 15th of August. Long days ago, we made a tryst to the destiny, and now the time comes. We have to redeem our pledge, not fully, but partially, or constantly. Yes, comrade, the time has come. We have to rethink. And definitely, this next 2 days session, we will find out the roadmap. Our leadership, Comrade Shomo and Comrade Sunil Kumarji, I told you, they are a rare type of leader I have ever seen. And this is for the first time, definitely you might have seen. I have not seen during my trade union career that all the 4 officers organization, they are fighting together for the cause of the officers concerned. So I hope that definitely in the days to come, we will succeed. वक्त से लड़कर जो अपना नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही है जो अपना तकदीर बदल दे। काल क्या होगा कुछ सोचो मत, क्या पता वक्त निकल अपना तस्वीर बदल दे। तो हमें आपको लड़ना पड़ेगा, जंग की मैदान में आकर के लड़ाई लड़ना पड़ेगा। अंधेरा में तलवारबाजी नहीं है। मैं यही बोला कि व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक से नहीं, वास्तविकता से, हकीकत से हमें मुकाबला करना पड़ेगा। तो आइए हम लोग ये 2 दिन में हम लोग ये तय करें, we have to fix up our roadmap, and definitely the officers community, they will show the roadmap to the banking industry, how the bank, it will be strengthened. And I want to communicate our MD, our chairman of the IBA, that sir, yes, there is a need for the infusion of the capital in the banking industry. At the same time, there is a need for the infusion of the confidence in the minds of the officers of the banking community. Thank you very much. On behalf of the reception committee, again I convey you a heartfelt thanks and gratitude and warm welcome to all the participants coming from every nook and corner of the country. At the same time also, I want to express our gratitude that you will enjoy the deliberation of Comrade Prasenjit Bose. He is the eminent economist and a social worker. He is in between us. I also welcome Prasenjit Da. Thank you very much. Kudos to all the leadership. Well, again, kudos to our present General Secretary, Comrade Shoma and Comrade Sunilji. Thank you very much. Thanks to all the comrades. Thank you.